So it was in the news that in New Jersey, three teenagers, well, four technically, beat up an immigrant, rendered him unconscious, videotaped it, and he died 4 days later in the hospital after a nurse apparently stole money out of his wallet. Well, it's horrible, and it's just a real horrible sign of our times. That's not what I'm going to be talking about. What I'm going to talk about is one of the comments made about it. How one of the townspeople had said, I want to meet the parents that produced such monsters. Now, it's a nature versus nurture debate. See, in my opinion, it's a little bit of both. Hey, leave the hat alone. It's a little bit of both. No. Fine, I'll take the hat. There. Alright. Whatever a parent does to a child can only predispose them. Everyone is responsible for their own actions. Whatever crimes a parent commits against a child, they are not responsible for what crimes their child commits. Yes, like I said, you can predispose. Abused children are more likely to do things, to go out and commit atrocities. Then again, they can turn out just fine. Inversely, my parents have very little to do with the way I am currently. I was a complete scum, and they brought me up pretty well. This is my own choice. So, I'd say, probably 70% nature, 30% nurture. Because, you have to take responsibility for your own actions. You can't just point at the parents when people do these kind of things. It's just not right.